Hi, I'm speaking to you from the other side of the world, from Mexico, which in case you didn't know has a lot of things in common with England. Well, not really, but wait, there is one thing. Both countries are the hometown of one of the largest equity crowdfunding platforms in their regions. Yes, the largest. Because in Latin America, size matters. I will talk to you about Play Business, the spiciest investment opportunity from Latin America. First, let's talk about size, while this guy finishes his tlayuda, despacito. If you were thinking that Latin America is not a big enough market, well, think again. 650 million people, 70% speak Spanish, GDP of 9.5, which is bigger than India's, and almost the same size as China's. No, we don't mean terabytes, you silly, we mean trillion US dollars. 360 million internet users and 415 million mobile phones, growing more rapidly than the USA. Latin America has problems, a lot of them, in terms of transportation, education, healthcare and financial services, just to name a few. But where people see problems, entrepreneurs and investors see business opportunities. And as you can see, Latin America is indeed the land of opportunities. But don't only take my word for it, take theirs. Okay, that sounds like a smashing market, but I promised a business opportunity. This is Joan Segura, CEO of Play Business.
Hi, we're an equity crowdfunding platform, born and raised in the heart of Mexico City. Since you are a Crowdcube user, you already know how we work. Our businesses are very similar. However, we have a unique difference. We keep a piece of equity of every company that we fund.
I beg your pardon?
We keep a piece of equity of every company that we fund, which basically makes us a VC with no money.
Wait, as far as I know, Crowdcube does not allow other equity crowdfunding companies to raise capital in their platform.
Well, we're happy to say that we have signed a commercial alliance with Crowdcube, and they will take a stake in Play Business, so that you can have access to high potential Latin American deals as soon as this race ends and due diligence is completed.
Touché. Now, show off those numbers because, well, growth also matters. 100 successful raises, more than 80 companies in our portfolio, more than 49,000 users, and more than 13,000 investments, and a growth of 2.1 in the year to date in money committed. Such an impressive performance and incredible size in Latin America. But you need to watch it, mate. Protection and safety are also a must.
Don't worry, since March 2018, Mexico approved a fintech law that regulates crowdfunding, so we are safe and investors are too.
I'm loving this, guys. But as you know, experience matters the most. So take a look at this team. They've studied in the best universities in the world and worked in top multinational companies. They could actually work anywhere in the world.
But we chose to stay here to make a difference and build one of the biggest companies in Latin America. And well, others have already noticed.
Up until now, funding early-stage startups has been our focus. But this is just the beginning.
Funds raised will be used to expand to work with later-stage businesses, franchises, and to consolidate in Latin America, where we expect to transact more than £260 million before 2023.
If you invest in Play Business in this race, you'll invest alongside institutional investors, such as Banregio, Euromoney's Latin America's best bank for SMEs, Fejer & Fejer, Mexico's leading business and franchising consulting firm, and Toro Ventures, Mexican venture capital.
Hey, did you like it?
You're the narrator?
Latin America is full of surprises.